Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla development series. In this video, we are going to see how we can override the get query set function available inside HorillaCardView. So we are going to see an example by filtering on shift request inside this custom shift request view. So jump into the VS Code. Okay, let's remove the last configuration for now. Make it simple. Okay, then def get query set. Okay, it will return all the query set, like query set, self to query set. Let's check what is coming now inside the self to query set. Okay, now let's it's restarting. Yeah, now let's refresh. So you can see the query set is now available. Okay, from the query set we can filter it out based on your uh, filtration condition lookups. For example, let's filter it on records. So self dot query set is equal to self dot query set dot filter. When you check the model of the shift request, here's the employee ID, underscore, then employee user ID. Okay, when you check the employee model, that you can see is employee user ID for the user model relation. Then let's match it with the login the user self dot request dot user. Now let's refresh this server, restart the server. Okay, it's restarting. Then refresh. Okay, it's the query set empty. That way is no record is available here. Now let's login with different user. Let's login with Abigail. With the employees detail view. Okay, control shift in local cost 8%. Abigail. Yeah, let's sign in. Okay, coming to the custom map, custom shift. Now here you can see the only Abigail records is visible now. So that's how you override the get query set functionality to match some of your user levels or something your some of your conditions. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt queries, you can add it inside the comments. And yeah, thank you for watching.